Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you to everybody who watched the last video that I put out, and I do apologize for the gap between the previous one from that and my previous video, but thank you for anyone who commented and watched the last one. I did work quite hard on it, so thank you. This one, instead of being an hour long, which again, congratulations to anybody who made it through that, it's going to be a speed build. So I'm basing this off of Scotty Kramer's channel, where Brooklyn built Matty Kramer's bike in just over 13 minutes. I do want to try and beat that challenge. So the tires are already mounted on the wheels like so, and the bottom bracket is already stamped in the frame. The time I'm going to do what Big Boy did there and just throw out my cell phone, but I will time lapse most of the video, and I promise not to cheat on it. But if you guys want a rematch on the video afterwards, I will time and put out the whole thing second for second with a time clock and all that if it's a problem, but promise not to cheat. So let's go. Without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so I just have all my tools laid out here with a couple parts, and then most of my other parts are just going to be over here. We'll be using this stand here to put it on and build it up like I did last time, but I'm going to keep the camera on a tripod in one spot, so you'll see me kind of go back and forth. Some of the shots will be blocked out, but hopefully most of them will stay in scene. But I just gotta find a good place to set it up, so I apologize if I run out of scene a few times, but I don't want to keep moving the camera around throughout the time lapse, otherwise that's gonna increase the time of the bike build and it just won't make any sense. And since there's nobody around to film this video, it's just me, that's the way it's gonna be. So sorry, but again, without further ado, let's get this done. Ooh, focus, focus, focus. Okay, cool. Alright, so here we go. I got the timer right here. It's already started. Let me just change that. Sorry, my mistake. Alright, there we go. Okay, so if you have a guess on how long it's going to be, just comment below. But let's do it. Let's go. Starting now.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Alright, boom. Just 5.5 minutes right there. Cranks on, bars on, forks on. Let's keep going. The bike is fully complete in 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Pull the bike out the stand. Look at that. Just perfect. Alignment everything. Perfect. I'm very, very surprised. Here, let me angle down that camera. There we go. There we go. Side profile is perfect for what I normally ride. The straight line, perfect. Side profile, perfect. Everything, seat height, clampable. Surprising, but I know from before that my seat height is basically the exact same that I use to stand. Like this gap right here is exactly the same as my seat height, so I'm lucky with that. But yeah, the chain is perfectly tensioned as well. I'll show you that right there. So I mean, I didn't take any shortcuts at all. I really tried not to. There's nothing loose. Like, this is perfectly rideable, good to go. Again, no shortcuts, no cheats. So 9 minutes, I'm stoked. And also, just to add on to that, this is my new BMX bike. I just got it. I actually got it at Christmas. I just haven't built it up yet, so I'm stoked that I finally got it built. I just tweaking out, trying to figure what parts I wanted just from my previous ride. My last bike was this S&M Pucker. This was a little short in the top too. At least I thought it was a little short, 21. But anyway, that's old news. New guy there. So thanks for watching my video. I challenge anyone to try and beat that record, 9 minutes and 5 seconds. I don't know if it's a record. If someone has done it faster, please post underneath to tell me if they have or haven't. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Smash the like button if you like what you see, and that way I'll know I can do more challenges like this. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.